This one is a 1914 Underwood No.5. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Let's take a look at it quick. Very old, over 100 years old. All right. Line space 3, line space 2, line space 1, all work good. Backspace works good. Left carriage release works good. Bell works good. Right carriage release works good. Left margin works good. It stops on that. Right margin works good. Put that right there. Tab works good. To adjust the tabs, you adjust them with these. You just pull them out. A little hard to do, it's a little rusty. And just kind of move them to wherever you want them to be, and then push them back in. This is how you switch the ribbon from red to black. Right now it's just got a solid black, so we're going to keep it on black. The ribbon direction, to change that, you just push it in for the left and pull it out for the right. And you can also spin it, as you can see on top, if you could see that. And it pulls the ribbon to whatever direction you want it to. All right, I'm going to type some letters and sentences. This right here will hold that paper down. As you can see, all the keys work and none of them stick. They all type nicely. I'm going to type a sentence. Get a close-up for you.